Hello, hi. Welcome to the vlog. Look at the eyes in here to the Riyadh, to Saudi. Alam mo guys, ginawa nila to. Sinadya nilang gawin to para mayroong kasi napakainit dito guys. Pero siguro napakadaming kuryente na gastos dito guys. Dahil sa dami ng yelo. Talagang ay siya guys, it's super cold. It's napaka-cold outside, inside the skating board. Diba? Ang dami niyang show, games or play. Ang dami niyang magagawa. It's very, very exciting. Okay guys, thank you very much. May penguin guys, oh. Thank you.